Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we are going to learn how to write a job offer rejection letter. What is a job offer rejection letter? A job offer rejection letter is a formal letter written by a candidate when he or she decides not to accept the offer of a job in a company with a reason. This letter is written to maintain good relationship or networking with the company. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a job offer rejection letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your personal information. Here, you must write your full name. Under it, write your home address. When you write the address, mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Now, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient. Write their full name. And write the title or job position or occupation in the company or organization. Under it, write the name of the company. And also, write the address of the company or organization. You should mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you can open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, appreciate the company for offering you a job. You should thank the company. And mention the job position offered to you as well as the company name. This is a must to put in the letter before you reject it. And appreciate also their willingness to discuss the details of the job offer with you. You need to also thank them for giving you time to consider the job offer. And before you reject, say how difficult it is for you to make a decision. And finally, state implicitly that you reject it by mentioning that you already accepted another position in another company. Or, you can mention other reasons based on your situation. In the second paragraph, say something good about the company that you just rejected. You can say that the company is great and appealing or so on. And once again, show your appreciation for their consideration throughout the interview process. Besides that, convince the recipient how you enjoyed learning more about the company through the interview section. In the last paragraph, once again, you should thank the company for their time and consideration. And give a nice closing words like it was a pleasure meeting the recipient and other staffs. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a job offer rejection letter step by step. Maintaining good relationship with companies is highly recommended for you. Who knows, you will work with them in the future. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helpful for you. See you soon.